Hello guys, I trust you all are doing fine. My name is Kofi Frederick, well known as Supreme. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. On this particular channel, we educate people on digital skills, tech tips, and how to make money online with your smartphone. If this meets your specification, please go ahead and hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can easily use colors as a beginner in graphic designing. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So basically, there are two types of colors. That is, we are having the dark colors and then we are having the light colors. So put this particular rule down, or note this particular rule. Okay, yeah, so the rule says that dark colors are going to fall on light colors. Okay, so if, for example, a dark color is your background, you use light color on it, and if light color is your background, you use dark color on it. This is going to make things very easy for you, okay? And it is also going to allow your audience to see everything that you are trying to communicate through your graphics to them. So let's get straight into it so that I show you samples of dark colors and also samples of light colors, and how I have actually paired some colors so that it can be easy for you. This is going to be very simple and brief. So this is my gallery. So this is an example of a dark color. Okay, yeah, all these colors that you are seeing here are dark colors. Okay, so one way or the other, basically dark colors are colors that are having some amount of dark shade. Okay, yeah, you could see that one way or the other we would have said this is red, but then it is very deep. So I would say a wine color or hot. Okay, yeah, so all these are dark colors. Okay, and these particular colors over here too are samples of light colors. Okay, yeah, so if you want to pair these two colors, this is how you are going to do. This particular light color will fall on a dark color. The reason why the light color is falling on the dark color is to make things clear. Okay, yeah, in graphic design, and the most important thing is that your audience will be able to actually read whatever thing that is on your background. Okay, yeah, so let's take for example, you use this particular shade of green as your background. Okay, you should go ahead and be thinking of using these shades of green as your write-up, or when you want to actually use shapes on your in your design. Okay, you should be thinking of these shades of green so that it can enhance the visibility of your work. It's as simple as that. Okay, it's very brief. So the rule says that dark colors will fall on light colors, while light colors also falls on dark colors. And also another rule that I'm trying to let you know is that you shouldn't use more than 3 colors on one particular design as a beginner. You shouldn't use more than 3 colors as a beginner. Yeah, the more colors you use, the more your design looks complicated, and one way or the other it sounds like a trash to your audience. Why? Because they are not trying to actually know what you are trying to communicate to them. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to pause this tutorial here. In the next tutorial, I'm going to teach you colors and their meaning, and also some color combinations, and how you yourself you can also pair some colors. Is bye for now.